Cardiff strengths. I think the access to investment made our journey in terms of getting investment actually relatively straightforward. Obviously, nothing's ever very, very quick and perfect, but obviously the development bank as an institution is very well known if you're into the entrepreneur scene in Wales and in Cardiff in particular. And getting access to that was very straightforward and very easy. And getting a hearing, if you like, getting being able to pitch was relatively quick and straightforward. So that really started our investment journey very quickly, and perhaps even earlier than perhaps we thought it might be. So I would say that's probably the biggest strength. And of course, the access to government as well, where you might not get that in parts of England, that actually you could potentially speak to a minister directly, and that's again relatively straightforward. The thing about Cardiff, there always seems to be something going on. Obviously the rugby is huge for that, but I've been living in Cardiff since 2012, and there's always something been going on, whether it was the Olympics or the Champions League or NATO or the Rugby World Cup, with the great stuff that we did around getting the rugby ball in the castle walls. There's lots and lots of things constantly happening in the city, and long may that continue. It's a very exciting place to be. What I really like about it though is it's a small city, but it feels like a big city in a lot of ways. So it's a small city in terms of you can walk around it pretty much in a day and see most things, but actually everything is here that you need, and there's lots of things going on, and it's one of the reasons that me and my wife love living here. My wife's from London, so clearly that's a very different dynamic, but she went to university here, she loves it here, I love it here. As I say, I'm from Monmouth originally, but I lived in West Wales for a long time as well, so I've seen kind of certainly three sides of Wales, and yeah, it kind of feels like home, and so yeah, really love living here.